channel, Sparkle and Glue. So glad to have you here. I've been working on, I guess it's an addition to another paper pack I've been doing. It was called Coastal Charm, and so this goes with it, or it coordinates. But this one's called Ocean Paradise, and I am going to be putting it on my site as a gift for free. But I just wanted to show you what you're going to be getting, and then we'll put one together. So it's going to be a folio, a trifold envelope type, and I printed this for the back. You can, and I also, okay, so here's tags and a little file folder and just a little folder, and I printed the same paper on the back, but you don't have to, you can print whatever you want. It's going to have a flip out page and some tags and little paper clips, and this is just another one of the background papers that are a little lighter if you maybe want to use that. I also have some pockets and some cutouts of the flowers and a few stamps. And then this is paper you can use for whatever you want with it. And another background paper, or really they're not even background, they're so pretty, I think. Anyway, I mean, I want to be here. I don't know about you guys, but... And then this is just a darker version of one of the background pages in case you wanted to use it for something not so light. Anyway, so just wanted to show you, and what I'll do is I'll cut everything out and do some inking and then come back and we'll put it together on screen, so you can download from the Google link and make it. All right, well, thanks for stopping by, and I'll be back with you soon. Okay, bye-bye. We're back. I cut everything out and inked, and we're all ready. We're going to put it together. So here's the base, the little trifold folio, and the flip out page. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and glue that in first. So you're just, and all I did is fold on the lines. I didn't score, I just folded, but you certainly can do it either way. This is 110-pound cardstock that I printed it on. All right, and so what you're going to do is you're going to line this up just so you want to make sure that this still folds okay. And because the paper that I used on the back of both pages is the same, it really blends in pretty well. So that's nice. So we made our little fold. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do after that is put one of the pockets on, and you may have to trim this a little bit. I did. So just line it up where you want it. If you want to put it in, like the middle is a little larger, so I think it fits there. But wherever you decide, just before you glue, just check your size on it, because it may just need to be trimmed a little. And I'm just putting glue on the outside border, and I'm lining it up to the bottom and to the side. And then just go ahead and push down so it adheres. And then why don't we put, I'm thinking, this pocket here. So let's, and I'm just gonna, you know what, let me make sure I'm staying in the camera for you. Just put some glue on the borders. And I'm going to just center this and line it up with the bottom. And I thought the little flower cutout I'll just put up here, and maybe we'll just do it on the border. And then this way, if you want to tuck something underneath it, you can. So just line it up with the top and the side here. You just, like I said, you want to make sure that this still folds. And just push down. And then, because we didn't glue, you can stick something in there if you'd like to. And we have this little pocket, and I don't know, maybe that would be cute here. The other way I was thinking of doing it is layering it on top of this. So yeah, let's layer it. But certainly do whatever you feel like you want to do. You don't, it's not set. You can do it any way you want. And I'm just lining it up at the bottom. And push down. And so now we have a double pocket there. And this pocket I think would be cute right here. So let's go ahead. And so it comes together pretty easily. And but if you don't want to use all the pockets, or you want to use them in different places, that's fine. So, and this folds inside, and this folds here. All right. Now we can, so this is just a little folder, and I don't know, let's see. One of these little tags, maybe we can make that a little pocket. So, and then I did put printed double side, so you can flip them if you don't want one side, you just want the other, maybe a print on the other side you can do. So make a little pocket here, and maybe add a stamp. That's cute, right? Put that in there. I did these paper clips. I don't know what you think of them. To cut it out, it took a long time. I didn't even feel like it looks great, but it's certainly up to you. So this one I didn't cut out, and maybe that stayed cuter. Just glue it on to something. But this I cut out so we could slide it in. But like I said, I'm not sure about it. So let me know what you think. I don't know. But anyway, you have a little file folder, and maybe I'll just glue this on top of it. But the cutting it out, and then I did try to do it on my Cricut in Design Space, but the file, when I uploaded it, it didn't print great. So anyway, so that is there, and we can just stick that in. We have all of these tags, a lot of tags, so you can decorate them. I added some ribbon, but they're all double-sided, so if you want to maybe decorate one of the sides, you can. You can put notes or little sayings on these. Maybe we'll add a little stamp here. Be kind of cute. So we can do something like that, maybe in the first pocket, and then this one is nice. Put behind it. Maybe if we want to stick one of these little, this might be pretty on the back of one of these. This one or here. I don't know. This is just one of the cutouts. And let's put it there. add it to our pocket here. And then you have a couple more tags. And maybe we could use this little stamp to, and it is getting a little full, and there's still many more things we can put in here. So maybe you even want to, and I keep folding it this way, but it is supposed to go inside, but you can do it either way. Maybe even tie a little ribbon around it. Let me see if I can grab a little ribbon. I have this, but if you want to maybe put a stamp on the outside, I'll just maybe put it up here with this until I figure out what I want to do with it. And oh, I was going to make a little envelope. Okay, so this is extra from when I cut out from the back. I just had some extra strips of paper, so I'm going to make a little envelope. I've done this before with you guys, but so it can be any size, and then you can trim it as you go. But what I do is just take what you have left over, and then fold the two corners in at the top, so we're making an envelope shape. And then I do like to ink this so you can see, because it's all the same pattern. So that was my dog. Bella, you all right? Okay, and then we're going to just glue the bottom in. And I'm folding it a little more just to get it to fit. And yep, Bella's fine. She probably saw some little animal outside or something. Okay. All right, and then I made a little envelope, so if you just want to glue that to something, I'll just maybe put it on here. Just some leftover. And there's more. You can make more of them. And then let's go ahead and fold this down and in. I didn't use that little paper clip. And maybe we'll just tie a bow. And so I was at Hobby Lobby, and they had a big stack of, I'll show you, ribbon. Just, I guess it's all their extra little pieces that got cut and not sold, maybe. This. So, and I think it was like $4, a little over $4, and then it was 40% off. So, yeah, I mean, some of them I probably won't use, maybe, but it's just a mix of different ones, and I thought that would be fun to just have, and maybe during certain projects. So anyway, I've already used it. I bought it, I think I got it yesterday. I've already used it quite a few times. So, all right, well, anyway, so that is our little folio. So let's just take a look at what we have. So I just tied this ribbon, but certainly you can do a little magnet here or another type of closure. And it opens this way. And then you have your flap here, which opens. And we have our pocket with a little file folder and a tag. And then here we have double pocket. Put it in a little too soon before the glue dried. And more tags. And up here we just have a little stamp and I guess a ticket, and because we didn't glue this all the way down, you can stick some things in there. And tag, another little folder where we made a little pocket and put a stamp in. tags back in here. And we're going to fold and fold, and then we'll just close it up. All right, so I'm going to put the link below to the Google Drive so you can download this paper set and make this folio. I'll also link, this is the other set that I have on my site as a gift as well, and it's just it coordinates with it really well, so you can use pieces from this one and go together. And I'll link this as well, so if you want to download this one and make it, and I do have a video on how I did that one as well. Anyway, I think we're good, so thanks so much for stopping by with me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Have a great night. Bye-bye.